In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Forms. Google Forms is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to create a variety of forms for surveys, quizzes, and much more. Whether you're using it for personal projects, professional endeavors, or educational purposes, knowing how to customize them can make your forms more appealing and effective. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by simply searching Google Forms on Google or by directly typing in the URL forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll either need to sign in with your Google account or, if you're already logged in, you'll see an option to start a new form on the homepage. Once on the homepage, you have the option to start with a blank form or explore various templates provided by Google. For this tutorial, let's start with a blank form so you can see all the customization options available. Click on the blank form and you'll be taken to the editing interface. Here, you have the basic structure of your form with untitled sections where you can begin your customization journey. Start by giving your form a title and description. These are the first things users will see, so make them clear and engaging. You do this by clicking on the text fields and typing in your details. Next, you have the main body of the form, where you can add questions and sections. To add a question, just click on the plus icon in the right-hand toolbar. You can then type your question, choose the type of response you want, like multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes, and add any additional instructions your respondents might need. Customization really comes into play with the design of your form. You can adjust the theme and color to fit your needs or preferences. Click on the color palette icon in the top menu. Google Forms offers a set of default themes and colors, but you can also customize them further by selecting custom colors or uploading an image for the header. This adds a personal touch and can make your form more visually appealing. Additionally, you can rearrange the questions or add section breaks to organize the flow of your form, making it more streamlined for your audience. Look for the drag icon next to your questions to move them around easily. Finally, make sure to preview your form before sharing. Click the eye icon at the top to see how it will look to respondents. This ensures everything looks just how you want it. Once everything is set up the way you like, it's time to send it out. Click on the Send button at the top, and you can distribute your form via email, a direct link, or even embed it onto a website. And there you have it, a fully customized Google form ready to share and receive responses. By following these steps, you can create forms that not only gather essential information, but also engage your audience effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.